Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ExpressVPN for privacy. Okay, so first head over to the ExpressVPN website, click on Start Your Risk-Free Trial. ExpressVPN have a 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning if you use their services and do not like it, you can get a full refund within 30 days of purchase. Once you have logged in, you'll see what different devices you can download ExpressVPN for, so make sure to set it up on the devices that you would like. And when you have set up ExpressVPN on your devices, the activation code is below. You'll need to use this activation code on the device so then you can connect ExpressVPN to your account. For today's tutorial, I'm only going to show you what it looks like on Windows. However, it's pretty straightforward on any other device. Once you have ExpressVPN downloaded, you can decide where you want to connect to, or you can just leave it up to the smart location, which will give you the fastest connection based on your location. Then, when you are ready, all you need to do is click on this big power icon. Then from here, for better security, you can decide to click all of these on. And then when you're done, click continue. And that's it, now you're done. Now you can browse completely securely online without needing to worry for any viruses or any privacy leaks, etc. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.